Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifiers. So in questions for the day today, we are going to discuss two very good questions. One is the viral odometer question. हम बहुत बार सुनते हैं odometer की rating ये है, odometer की rating वो है, and how to solve such question. We will see that. I hope आपकी CAT की preparation बहुत बढ़िया जा रही होगी. ठीक है? So let's see what the question is. Car was bought in for servicing when its odometer read 5700 kilometers. अब odometer है जो सामने एक कार का मीटर लगा हुआ है, उसके ऊपर रीडिंग आई हुई है 5700, राइट? 5 7 0 and 0. This is the reading being displayed on odometer, right? And how the reading works कि अगर हम 1 किलोमीटर और चलेंगे तो it would be 1, 1 किलोमीटर और चलेंगे तो it would be 2, 1 किलोमीटर और चलेंगे तो it would be 3 and so on. ये odometer हमारा ऐसा चेंज होगा, राइट? Now, due to the servicing, it was found that odometer had a fault because of which it has always skipped the digit 4 and 6. Now, in our natural counting, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These 10 digits are used. But here, digit 4 and 6 are skipped. 4 और 6 हमेशा skip हो जाते हैं. Now, it asks us how much distance the car has actually traveled. अब क्योंकि देखो यार ये डिजिट स्किप हो रही है तो असली डिस्टेंस थोड़ी 5700 होगा, असली डिजिट तो कम होगा. अब ट्राई टू बिल्ड अ कनेक्शन कि असली रीडिंग क्या होगी और शो क्या हो रही होगी. फॉर दैट लेट मी जस्ट थिंक ऑफ अ सिनेरियो कि रियल लाइफ में क्या होता है और ऑडोमीटर पे क्या होगा. अब व्हेन द रीडिंग इज 0, ऑडोमीटर विल आल्सो शो 0. ठीक है, दिस इज ओरिजिनल, this is odometer. When original will increase by 1, odometer will also show 1. When this will be 2, odometer will also show 2. When this will be 3, this will also show 3. Now in the next kilometer, when originally would be 4, जब असली में 4 होगा, odometer will skip the 4 digit and odometer will show 5. Which means जब भी मुझे 4 शो करना होगा तो मेरा ऑडोमीटर क्या शो करेगा उस वक्त? 5 शो करेगा. Why? Because वो 4 तो शो कर ही नहीं सकता, right? After 3 it should have been 4, but since the odometer misses the 4 every time, it will be 5. ठीक है, after 4 it would be 5. ठीक है, and here it would be, it should be 6. अब 4 के बाद आना क्या चाहिए? 4 के बाद आना तो 5 चाहिए असली जिंदगी में, और यहाँ पे ऑडोमीटर पे 5 के बाद 6 आना चाहिए. बट ऑडोमीटर ऑल्सो स्किप्स द 6 वैल्यू 6. तो अब वो 6 नहीं दिखाएगा, वो क्या दिखाएगा? 7 शो करेगा. विच मीन्स ऑडोमीटर पे आना चाहिए था 5, लेकिन ऑडोमीटर पे आ रहा है 7. सो व्हेनेवर द ऑडोमीटर वाज सपोज्ड टू शो, व्हेनेवर द ऑडोमीटर वाज सपोज्ड टू डिस्प्ले द वैल्यू 5, इट डिस्प्लेड द वैल्यू 7. उस पे दिखाइए, ये बात समझ आनी चाहिए. उसके बाद जब यहाँ 6 होगा तो यहाँ क्या होगा? 8 होगा. जब यहाँ 7 होगा तो यहाँ क्या होगा? 9 होगा. अब असली में जब 8 होगा तो यहाँ पे 9 के बाद क्या बन जाएगा? वो 10, यानी बेस 8 की बात कर रहा हूं मैं यहाँ पे. अब सिंस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट बेस 8, ठीक है, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस. in the natural counting, in the base 10 counting, we have 10 digits, so any number that we write is represented in base 10. But when we are not using the 10 digits, we are using just 8 digits, so whatever number I am going to write now will be written in the base 8. ये बात हमें समझनी चाहिए क्योंकि 2 डिजिट हम यूज कर ही नहीं रहे हैं. अब बस ये सोचो कि जब ये ऑडोमीटर पे ये डिस्प्ले हो रहा होगा जो कि एक बेस 8 का नंबर है, ये असली में कितना डिस्प्ले हो रहा होगा. अभी हमने डिसाइड किया कि जब भी ऑडोमीटर पे 5 दिखता है तो ओरिजिनली कितना होता है? 4. Whenever the odometer is displaying 5, originally it is 4. Whenever the odometer is displaying 7, originally it is 5. 0 is 0, same. And the base is 8. Why the base is 8? Because only 8 digits are used while counting these values. The value 4 and 6 were skipped every time. Now this is a number in base 8. Now in actual तो base 10 होता है, right? The actual reading should be base 10. Now what will be the reading in base 10? इसको मैं base 10 में convert करता हूँ. 8 raised to power 0 into 0, 8 raised to power 1 into 0, 8 raised to power 2 into 5, 8 cube into 4, right? So 8 square, 64 into 5, 320, and 8 cube is 512 into 4, 2048. 2048 and 320 would be 2368 किलोमीटर. So ये वो असली ओरिजिनल रीडिंग है जो कि उसने क्या शो करी? उसने वहां पे शो करी 5700. ये ओरिजिनल रीडिंग थी उस वक्त. ठीक है, आई होप अब आपको ये कंसेप्ट क्लियर होगा एंड यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. So what is the next question that we had? The next question was based upon the functions part. कहते हैं if f is the real function, if f is the real function satisfying q of f x y is equal to f of x of y plus f of y x for all the real values of x comma y, and if f1 is equal to 2, I need to find the sum of f1 up to fn. Now the easiest way to do this is to try to derive the results and make a pattern, right? I know the value of f1, so what should I do in order to find f2? Let's say मुझे f2 निकालना हो, यहाँ पे f2 output ये है ना, this is our input, this is my output. Let's say if I have to find f2, what should I do? Let me just put x as 1, y as 2. Okay, so it will become 2 of f of 1 into 2 is 2 is equal to f of 1 is our 2. Okay, f of x है, f of 1 is 2 raised to the power 2 plus f of y is 2 raised to the power x is 1, right? So this will go here and get subtracted. So what I'll get f of 2 is equal to 2 square, right? Now let's try to find f of 3. For f of 3, I need to put x as 1, y as 3 in a symmetrical way. Now it will become 2 of f of 3 is equal to f of x. What is f of x? X is 1. X is 1. F of 1 yani f of 2. So 2 cube plus f of, now this is 3 raised to the power 1, right? Now this will get subtracted. I'll get f of 3 is equal to 2 cube. Now it is very easy for you to find the pattern. F of 1 is 2, f of 2 is 2 square, f of 3 is 3 cube. What do I need to do? I need to find the sum up to f of n. So what I need to do? I need to find the sum of 2 plus 2 square plus 2 cube plus 2 power 4 plus 2 power 5 up to 2 power 10. Now it is a GP with first term as 2 and the common ratio also has 2. You just need to find the sum of GP. I am giving you this as a task. Just solve this and write the answer in the comment box. What will be the answer? Okay. So I hope the question is clear to you, both the questions. If you did, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.